what I would like to emphasize is for youngsters, despite the available drugs are there, we are not able to do that one. That indicates that still aggressive research is needed to address these kind of diseases. So that is the translational research. So the translational research always possible only when 2-3 people are involved. For example, now earlier when we are doing the research, we have to take one drug and work out. So I was also part of the pharma industry for all these things. So the pharmacy people, they say that, sir, we take 10,000 molecules and finally we shortlist the 100 molecules which are having the activity. Then again we have to see that there should not be any side effects and all. So finally only one molecule we will go for the human trials. But there are also chances it will also fail in the human trials. So that much. Now because of the bioinformatics tools have come now. So because of the bioinformatics, even preliminary screening can be done using the docking studies whether this molecule can be tested or not. Yes or no, that's all. And now the next step is the AI. AI is going to transform the complete biology research into the next level. Even people say that you don't have to do even animal studies also. So even it can give you in the live, if this drug is injected into the rat, how it is going to make it. So these are the technologies. Technologies are the tools. However, human intervention is essential. If you wanted to do some kind of breakthrough, yes, you have to use all these tools, but at the same time, you have to apply your mind also to make it the drugs are more possible. So that means you should have the proof of concept, you should have the prototype, then you should have the product, then you should have the policy. So that means once the basic research should go into the applied aspects, then the technology should be developed, then it will have the scientific benefit for the society. So until then, our scientists' work is not completed. And also now because of the scientific advancement, there is a personalized medicine has been come up. That is the genomics. You can identify by using microarrays or various genetic analysis, you can identify a particular gene which is getting either activated or suppressed, especially some of the anti-cancer genes or some of the gene promoters. And other important thing is the vaccine development, especially the vaccine development during the pandemic, corona. So corona pandemic actually taught human beings several things. If we cannot learn even not then, so this system or the generations will not forget us and forgive us. So during corona time, the vaccine, Bharat Biotech has come into the picture. So Bharat Biotech made a cheapest available vials, vaccine, and they transported to the even African countries also. Even the Modi also made this, the Trump also threatened us to supply certain of the drugs. Okay, so the India is in a position to synthesize some of the valuable drugs that are needed for the entire world. And also we are also making a very big leap for the vaccines. So that is another important area. And also the brain health is the another important one, and this is very essential. And also the sustainable technology. So this is another area where we have to work on it. That's the renewable energy, and also the green hydrogen, and also the water purifying technologies, and also the climate resilience. So this is another. So without tampering the climate, we have to work on it. And to make all these things realistic, especially for the students, especially young minds, those who are in the colleges or the schools, or MSc students or the research scholars, what is that we should do? So to promote the interdisciplinary research, we need to have the industry collaboration. So students, especially in the MSc stage, so as we all discussed, and we also invited some of the industry people recently here, and they organized one workshop also. So see that the students should have the industry exposure. So let us give as the new NEP has given a freedom to the academic curriculum in the 4th year and the 2nd year and the 4th semester, as we have the project, we can also make some kind of arrangements where some students they can go to the pharma industry. Let us have an MOU. So let us make all kinds of effort. Some of the interesting students, when they go to the pharma industry and learn what is happening there, they will get enthusiasm and they can become a very good scientist in the in near future. So the other thing, important thing that faculty members we should promote is the multidisciplinary research. So single basic research is not going to help us. So you have to use all kinds of tools and promote the research. And also the technology transfer, startup incubation, and also the patent developments. These are all the things that we have to keep it in mind, so that we will have the translational research, which is going to be a part of the Viksit Bharat 2047. So research should move beyond journals into industries and the communities. The research should go beyond that one. So publication is essential, but at the same time the publication should be in a position to translate into the action where the society will get benefited. With these few words, I once again congratulate the Dean and the Head of the Department Biotechnology and Kumar also, and also all the faculty members, those who are doing, those who are responsible for this one, and also the team of youngsters standing here, and the school children who have come. So let us make this as the every year event. Next year we will make further improvement in the organizing the National Science Day. And this is, we are commemorating the 40th years of the excellence of the Pondicherry University existence. So let us continue to strive to that one. I wish you all good luck and thank you.
Good morning to all. So, as respected Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Prakash Babu sir, respected Dean Dr. Joseph Selvin sir, and Professor Suresh sir, guest of speaker today, and Professor Prashant sir, and esteemed speakers, and distinguished faculty members, and all the sister department faculty, senior professors, and it is really the students, particularly the research scholars and MSc and PG students, and really it really gives me a great privilege to give the final gratitude, like the vote of thanks for today's National Science Day celebrations. As today we gathered here to remind the science is not just merely about what the Professor Vice Chancellor said, that about the discovery. It is about directions. It involves a translation, innovation into the impact, and research into resilience, and ideas into national progress. So with that outset, I would like to thank this. I take this opportunity to keep on record on our hearty thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Prakash Babu sir, for his exemplary leadership and unwavering support in nurturing this Pondicherry University, and your commitment in academic growth and research excellence and innovation continues to inspire the entire scientific community, sir. And we are truly grateful for your inspiring and motivational message towards this translational research, which contains the word of wisdom that we all need to reach the greater heights with your supports. So thank you, sir, for being with us, and gracing this occasion is a grand success.